Hey Tech Talkers, we're back with another video today, and this time we have the 22,400 milliamp hour beast of a battery pack from EC Technology. It's a high capacity as it says, and it has 3 output ports with a 1-watt LED flashlight. So let's take a look in this unboxing and first look. Let's go and have a look and see what we actually get in here. So as you can see, it's got 3 output ports already called out on the front. So you're going to be able to charge 3 devices at any one time, probably at varying speeds though, but we'll have a look. It also has a 1-watt flashlight, LED flashlight in there as well. So here's the product itself, relatively thin considering the size, so we'll get to that in a second. Instruction manual. Okay, so it's got the dimensions in here: 160 millimeters long by 80 millimeters wide by 23 millimeters deep, and it's weighing in at 462 grams. So if you look at the latest flagship smartphones that we've got out there, that's probably 2.5 to 3 times the size. So whilst it is pocketable, it's still going to be quite heavy in your pocket, probably best for a backpack. Multiple languages, so yeah, we'll have a look at that later. A USB to micro USB cable, and that is that. So we'll put this to one side and we'll have a look at the product. So get out the packet. Okay, so as you can see, it's a power pack. Exactly what you'd expect. So you've got some LED notifications here. There we go, some LED notifications here to say how much battery power the pack's actually got in it. Here's the USB port here. So you have one, I don't know whether you can see, one for the iPhone, one for, it says Samsung Tab, and one for the iPad. So that's going to be the different milliamp hour, the ampage that it's pushing out to the individual devices. So one of those is going to be a 1 amp, one's going to be a 2 amp, and one's going to be a 2.4 amp, I believe. You can also see it's got an LED flashlight here, so we'll turn that on in a second. You've got a 5 volt in micro USB port here to charge it. Nothing on the other side, and there's your power button. We'll turn that on in a second. On the back we've just got some information telling you that it's a 5 volt 2 amp max output. So it's got a 1 amp iPhone port, a 2 amp, yes I was right, 1 amp iPhone port, 2 amp Samsung Tab port, and a 2.4 amp maximum port for your gadgets. So let's turn this on. You can see the flashes. We've got 3 out of 4 bars on there at the moment. Let's see how we can get this thing on, shall we? Okay, so it seems to have 3 stages there. You've got an SOS flash. So pressing it twice gives you a static low beam. But twice more gives you a high beam. Twice more gives you an SOS blink, and then back to nothing. Let's give you a closer look. Okay, so we're back and we're looking at the 22,400 milliamp hour battery pack from EC Technology, and I've just plugged it into the USB detector I've got here just to see what amperage it gets out. So on the iPhone port on this, it should give out 1 amp maximum. On the Samsung Tab port, it should give 2 amps maximum. And on the iPad port, it should give 2.4 amps maximum. So we've got it plugged into the iPad port at the moment, so the 3rd port. And as you can see, we've got a Xiaomi Mi Pad plugged in, which is the most powerful drawer of power device that I actually have. So, and as you can see, it's pulling 1.7 amps of power to actually charge this. So let's plug it into the middle port and see if the amperage changes, which it should. And it's still 1.7. So let's not forget that this USB detector is not necessarily the most scientific piece of technology in the world, but it gives some indication. So let's put it into the first port, which should be 1 amp. And we're back up to 1.7 amps again. So As you can see, what I think is actually happening here, although it's not called out in the actual instruction manual anywhere, is that these are smart ports, so they'll detect the maximum amperage that they've got for the actual device that they're trying to power, and powers them accordingly. If you've got 3 devices plugged in here, then it's obviously going to scale it back and probably go back to its defaults. The iPhone port will probably deliver only 1 amp. But there you have it anyway, 22,400 milliamp hour battery pack from EC Technology with a 1 watt LED flashlight as well. So if you're looking for something to carry around with you to charge all of your mobile devices, then at the moment this is looking like it's going to be able to deliver a number of power cycles. Don't forget to check out the EC Technology website, which is iectechnology.com, for more products like this and mobile peripherals. Thanks for checking out the 22,400 high capacity 3-port external battery pack from EC Technology. We'll review this over the next couple of weeks, and you can see the article on mobiletechtalk.co.uk. Please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe for videos like this, and also check out the webpage for more articles like this, unboxings, reviews and hands-on videos. Thanks a lot guys, and we'll see you on the next video.